Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Marissa Romero, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the truth about affiliate marketing in 2019 and what really is the future of affiliate marketing. I know many of you guys have heard different things about the future. Is it dead? Is it going to thrive for people? Is it still a good option? I have some good information in this video for you guys, so go ahead and stay tuned for the rest of this video. Okay, basically, this is the video that you guys landed on right here. And so that is going to be the topic for today's video, and it's an important thing to bring up because so many people have been asking me like, oh my gosh, Marissa, what kind of business do I start? Do I do affiliate marketing? Do I do e-commerce? You know, different things like that. You know, because you hear all the time, like, is such and such dead? Is this dead? You know, and I'm going to talk about all those things. But first, if you are new to this channel, my name is Marissa once again, and what I do on this channel is teach people how to build an income online, how to make money online if you're a beginner and a newbie and are, you know, don't know anything about online business. I have different videos on all kinds of topics relating to just that: sales funnels, email marketing, all that great stuff, so you won't want to miss a thing. So I ask you to go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and of course give this video a big thumbs up if you get any value from it, okay? Because I'm posting very consistently. I just had my longest hiatus I've ever had, and that was approximately 6 days. I just needed a breather for a second. But usually I post about 5 to 6 times a week, so you guys won't want to miss my content, and stay tuned for what I have coming up. Okay, so back to today's topic. Is affiliate marketing dead, or what is the truth about affiliate marketing in 2019 and 2020 and beyond? Guys, so think of it this way. You know, first, if we think about the definition of affiliate marketing, which is you being the middleman or having a company that you're promoting their products or service for, basically thinking of it as a referral program. So you are the middleman to connect the business to a buyer who is interested in that product or service, who otherwise would have never known about it if it wasn't for you and the traffic that you drive to a product and promote, and you vouch for yourself. Okay, so basically affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products or services and receiving a commission from it. And the benefits are a wide variety. You do not need to fulfill the products. You do not need to handle customer service. You don't really have to worry about anything yourself. It's just kind of one and done. It's a win-win-win for all parties involved. And so that is why affiliate marketing is such a beautiful thing. And so saying that affiliate marketing is, you know, gonna be dead, or, you know, the truth that is that it's gonna go down, and, you know, it's not gonna be a profitable business model anymore, is very, very wrong. Because that would be like saying, for example, that Airbnb, Expedia, Kayak, all of these companies that serve as the middleman, basically a mega affiliate to connect people to something that they're looking for. Like Airbnb, for example, it's just a super huge affiliate system. Airbnb is making money from connecting travelers and people to places of residence and hotels and homes and shared rooms where people can stay. So Airbnb makes a commission off of every sale that they make when somebody reserves a room or hotel or whatever it is. Okay, so that's like saying there's never going to be Airbnb again. Airbnb is going to go down. Same thing with Expedia. I mean, more and more people are not booking directly on, you know, American Airlines or the airline itself, Hawaiian Airlines. They don't go to HawaiianAirlines.com. They go to Expedia.com and Hotwire and all these sites. Those are, you know, some of the biggest examples of affiliate marketing, you know, that I could think of online. And so to say that, you know, affiliate marketing is going to go down is extremely wrong. It's only, you know, in my humble opinion, going to exponentially grow. It's only going to get bigger and bigger. Affiliate marketing is, you know, $1 billion business, and it's not going anywhere. In my opinion, it is the best business model you could possibly have, you know, to start, you know, to grow and have it be your main source of income. And hey, who knows, if you want to start any other type of business, whether it's another type of online business, or maybe you want to even grow a brick and mortar business, the money that you make from affiliate marketing could be so substantial that it could help you have an income and help build whatever other business you want to. So that is why over and over I tell people to start with affiliate marketing. Now, here's what it takes to, you know, do affiliate marketing. So people, I get this question daily. Where do I start? What do I do? How do I drive traffic? What is a funnel? Before anything else, okay, and this is what I teach people in my affiliate marketing course that I have on affiliate marketing and using YouTube to build an affiliate marketing business. I tell people, this is where you need to start. You know, you have to figure out what your niche is, and it has to be a niche that you have some type of interest in, preferably a passion or expertise. So niche mixed with passion, mixed with expertise, and what else did I say? Expertise, passion, whatever. And that you like it. You have to like it, okay? So let's talk about the fitness and nutrition niche, okay? You can build an affiliate marketing business all around nutrition and fitness, okay? So for example, there's, you know, products on ClickBank that are in the nutrition and health niche that you can promote. Clickbank.com is probably the biggest online website where you can go and market digital products and other people's products, and it even includes physical products now. So what you have to do is first pick your niche, and the reason you have to like it a lot and have some type of knowledge in it is because the next step you're going to have to do is to give massive value and start to build, oops, I can never spell on camera, ever, massive value to build an audience, okay? So what does building an audience even mean? Building an audience means you are picking a platform. So in my case, it's YouTube. You're in or Instagram or Facebook or Pinterest, whatever it is, LinkedIn, and you are providing value every day. You're giving tips, you're giving how-tos. Maybe if you're a photographer, you're posting beautiful pictures and talking about how the different processes and stuff you're doing on Photoshop, whatever. So you're going to have to build a platform and build your audience. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is how you create a brand. It could be your own personal name brand. For example, me, I brand myself as Marissa Romero, but you don't have to use your personal name. You could use a completely different name. It's up to you. So having an audience, you guys, and a brand is the #1 foundational thing you need to build really any type of business, but especially in this case, we're talking about affiliate marketing, because people don't buy from companies and they don't, you know, buy from businesses they don't know. People buy from people, and when they see that you have an amazing brand and you're giving really cool value, then they'll buy any product that you recommend them to buy. It's that simple, because they're like, yeah, she's taught me or he's taught me a lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy this supplement through their link. So, you know, the next thing after these two things, I talk about, you know, building your brand, selecting your niche, researching different, what's the word? I can't think of the word. Profitable. Researching different profitable products to promote, okay? And what that looks like is there's 2 types of products that I promote, okay? And that is, #1, recurring commission products, and also recurring commissions, okay? Nope, I didn't even spell commissions right. Recurring commissions, and that is, for example, if you're promoting an online tool like ClickBank, or no, not ClickBank, ClickFunnels, where you get 40% of the monthly plan if somebody signs up for you. So if somebody buys into the $100 plan, every month under your link, you would get $40 a month from making that sale. So I love recurring commissions because it's predictable, it's scalable. You know, you're able to know what you need to make the next month with recurring commissions, and you're able to know what is approximately coming into your bank account every single month. So the other type of product I like to promote is something called a high ticket product, which means you're selling a product that costs anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000, and you receive a good chunk of change back from that product that you're selling. Okay, so those are the two types of products that I like to promote. Other products that are great to promote, if you become an affiliate on Amazon, it's called an Amazon Associate. So you can become an affiliate on Amazon.com and market literally anything you want. You can market, you know, a tent, a blender, all the nutrition products, anything that is on Amazon. But most importantly, the cool thing to market on Amazon are electronics, because you can make a lot of money from one sale from selling, let's say, a camera or a lens or something, maybe, you know, a tool that you use for your business. So I say that Amazon.com is a great place to promote different products. It's kind of like low-hanging fruit. You have the opportunity to promote the tools that you use. Really, guys, the next thing you have to worry about is you know, it's very important for any business to have this right here, because without this, really, you don't have sales, and without sales, you don't have a business. So, and that is traffic. Okay, traffic is the lifeline, and you know, the lifeline of your business, and people struggle with this the most. And so what I tell people again is, whatever platform you're using to build up your brand, become an expert at how to drive traffic with that platform. So maybe you're doing Facebook, become an expert at how to do marketing in Facebook groups, how to use messenger bots, how to run Facebook ads. Okay, if you're on YouTube, build your channel organically, drive organic traffic, learn how to do keyword optimization in YouTube and SEO to get the most out of your free traffic. And then once you get free traffic and are starting to make good money from free traffic, learn how to do YouTube ads, which is paid advertising. And the list goes on for all the different other types of platforms that you would perhaps choose to build your brand and your business on. Okay, there's a bunch of other things that I didn't get into in this video, like, you know, for example, sales funnels, leads, what is a lead, what else? Email marketing. Okay, so these things at the bottom I did not really talk about in this video, okay? And don't worry, because I have a video series in the first link in the description that goes over everything I talked about and everything I didn't talk about, and it goes over it way more in depth, and it reveals, you know, some of the things that I promote and some of the things that I recommend for people to start promoting and when getting started online with affiliate marketing. So as an overview and wrap up of this video, affiliate marketing is not dead. It is only going to skyrocket and be much more needed and more in demand from startup companies who are going to want partners to promote their products and services. So I think it's an amazing business model, and you guys should definitely take a stab at it. Okay, so again, if you got any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. You know, affiliate marketing has allowed me to make a full-time income online, travel the world. Like right now, I'm currently in beautiful Medellin, Colombia, and this year I was able to be in Southeast Asia, and I'm able to do it by promoting other people's products simply from a laptop and internet connection, and I absolutely love it. So if that motivates you, go ahead and click the first link below to check out more. And of course, you guys, I will see you in the next video. You guys take care.